think it's laughable. It's funny because I have known Bloomberg. I subscribe to Bloomberg articles online. And so when I saw this report, I checked again. I read it once more. I think this is just part of the Western hegemony. Bloomberg has exposed itself that it is there for use, as a propaganda tool when the need arises. Objectively, I think Bloomberg was way off the mark. I think when the pandemic started, the World Health Organization and even the US were categorical that let's stick to the science. Let's not put politics into the mix of which country is trying its best to contain the pandemic. So I think this marking scheme that Bloomberg used, it's his own invention. It is to portray the US, as now ready for business. So I think this is just too much, deception. I think the US is a classic case of how not to handle a pandemic and not the kind of, revision that Bloomberg is trying to give us.